Welcome, dear technology friends. The perfect solution for installing your FRITZ models 7590, 7530 or 7510 on the wall in an elegant and space-saving manner. Before we start, an important note, the AVM FRITZ is not included in the scope of delivery. But don't worry, today we're fully concentrating on what's inside. If we open the packaging, we find everything we need for a successful installation. 2 robust plastic fastening hooks that promise your FRITZ a secure hold, for screws and dowels for those of you who like it classic. And for quick and easy setup, 2 pre-installed 3M adhesive strips. You have the choice, either you use the screws for permanent attachment or the 3M adhesive strips for quick and trace-free installation. Just make sure that the surface is suitable for the adhesive strips. Simply follow the included installation instructions and drilling template to precisely mark the drill holes. Regardless of whether you choose screws or adhesive strips, your FRITZ will be securely and elegantly attached to the wall in just a few minutes. More space on the desk in a FRITZ that not only hangs securely, but also remains easily accessible. An ideal solution that combines functionality and aesthetics.